Hi dears, do you want to learn English? This is video for you. Okay, so if I talk about me, so my name is Parvendra Kumar. You are watching AM Native Speaker. Why my name, my YouTube name is AM Native Speaker? Because I am not a teacher. I am also learning this language. So I want to be a perfect in this language. I want to speak as a native speaker. Right now, if I talk about me, so right now I am in intermediate level. Like there are three steps. Number one, beginner level. Number second, intermediate level. And number third is advanced level. So I'm not a beginner. Whatever I have to speak in English, I can share my things, whatever I want to share. Right now I'm also making that video in English. So I can make video in English. So it's called intermediate level. But if I'll talk about advanced level, so guys, like suppose that if you are giving me any particular topic, so I'm not able to speak that particular topic, that is something different. So okay, if I talk about me, so I do job in a hotel. So there are so many clients come from out of country. Like sometimes Canada people also come. Like out world of people also come in a hotel. So at the time I have to speak in English because they don't know how to speak in English. Sorry, Hindi. So at the time I have to speak in English. So from there I improve myself as well. Like like con- connect with other people, like how I can connect and like how to speak in English, so many things. Okay, come to the point. If you also want to improve your communication skills, no matter is that which level you are, maybe you are beginner, maybe you are intermediate like to me. So come to the point, like how you can improve your communication skills. Like as much as possible you can just listen podcast videos in YouTube. If you will go, so you can easily find podcast video in English. Just watch and listen. If you are not watching that other things, just normally you can use headphone or earbuds, whatever. Just normal listen what carefully what they are saying. There is a one method, and in my perspective that is good, amazing. Sometime you are going, like you are traveling, at a time you can use your earbuds, like you can and listen songs, you can listen any podcast, any information videos, it can be other things. If I talk about like web series also there, so there are so many web series you will find in English. You will also love story, dramas, whatever. You can watch everything, but there is one thing you have to watch in English. Don't forget, only English. Just watch in English. After 10 days later or 20 days later, you will see like you have so many vocabulary in your mind you didn't understand that time while using listening that video, but automatically your subconscious mind grab that vocabulary, the sentence as well, at the time you understand. And in my perspective, there is a one method is also important. You can describe your things, like in a day whatever you have done. You have already, like I get up early around 7 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and then after I do that types things. So you can describe your day. And whenever you will go to sleep, at the time what you can do, just write down, take a notebook or pen, just write down day 1 Monday, and I have did this types of things, just only write down over there. And after that you will see your how you are improving yourself. one thing is that confidence is the also matter, and English is not just a language, it is key that can open many doors in your life. So my dear friends, why are you waiting? You can start as much as possible. You can start spoken English. This is world, like you can connect to people. You can, if you know that language, you can connect to others people, like you can connect more people as well. And one thing that why I'm recording that video, because I love to making videos. I want to share my videos to learners as well, like they can be a beginner level as well. And one thing is that if you want to practice as a real person, so what I can do for you, I will give a link in the description box. You can join my WhatsApp group. The name is also Aimnet Speaker. Okay, there are so many people is there. We create Zoom meeting as well, and there be like 5 to 6 people, 10 people we connect, and at the time we just create any particular topic, and after that we just talk about like different perspective as well. So you can join my WhatsApp group as well. If you like that video, that's okay. If you don't like, you can scroll. You know what, those people are, they just want to learn English. They can understand this feeling, like when you will talk with others as a front of camera or like normal call, so how they feel. Okay, so so just you can do one thing, just as much as possible you can start your spoken journey, and I will share how I learn this language in the next video. Like when I will create a video, so I will talk about myself, like how I started my journey, how I start myself. Okay, see you next video. Love you all. Bye bye. Thank you.